Hey y'all, it's me Deja B back at it again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a new technique that I kind of just recently discovered in like the past 2 weeks on how to like preserve my wash and go, or you can do it with the twist out or whatever other style you prefer. So I know I saw somebody else talking about this and I cannot remember. I'm sorry. I like to give credit where credit is due, but I know I was watching Naturally Philo's videos and she had mentioned this method, and I saw somebody else mention this method as well, but I cannot remember who it was. Sorry. So a lot of people do the pineappling situation at nighttime, and that works for some hair textures or people with longer hair, in my opinion, better than it works for me. So I'm glad I came across this other technique, because I be having single strand knots like crazy. I be cutting them out every damn, excuse my language, like freaking every other day. So yeah, I'm kind of glad that I found this method, because the reason why I probably do have single strand knots is probably because of how I sleep with my hair at night. Usually what I'll do is I'll take some scrunchies and I will just like kind of section my hair and do like puffs around my hair to preserve my hair. Before, honestly, I cannot remember what I was doing, but the puffs were kind of working for like preserving my wash and goes, twist outs and stuff like that. So that's what I was doing. I tried to do the pineapple method, which it didn't really like. It stretches out the back of your hair, and then the top of your hair stays kind of like bunched up, and you have to manipulate it in order to get it as stretched as the rest of your hair. Now my hair is already in layers, so that just really wasn't working for me, because I was having to put, like, to stretch my hair, I would put heat on it, because honestly banding doesn't really work for me either. I don't know how it'll be working for some people, but it just don't work for me. So I usually use heat to stretch my hair. So I'm done doing all that hoo hoo rah rah. So I'm going to show you guys what I learned. Okay, so what I do is I'm going to section my hair. Okay. So I got my 3 sections, and then I got this out in the back. Get a little oil on my hands because I'm going to twist my hair, okay? By the way, this is the oil that I'm using right now. It's the ORS Hair Repair Coconut and Baobab Vital Oils. Smells really good. It's really light, and it has some good ingredients in it. I'm gonna just list a few: soybean oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, baobab oil, etc., etc. So it's a really light oil. Like, you can see it's moving in there. It's not thick. So I'm breaking that back off into 2 sections, and then I'm going to twist my hair. So really, I've been doing this. This is a day 3 wash and go. Yeah, day 3 wash and go. I've been doing this since I did my wash and go. So I've done this each night. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the ends out so they can maintain that curl. But anyway, so I did it really, like, I finished it Thursday morning. So I did the banding method after I, you know, like, finished my wash and go. Then I did this, not banding, but twisting. Then I did it again Friday night, and now it is Saturday, and I'm doing it again for Saturday night. And as you could see in the beginning of the video, my curls were very preserved. Like, they look like a wash and go. So really, these twists are kind of just, they're not making your hair look like a twist out at all. They're not making my hair look like a twist out anyway. I'm getting ahead of myself. They're just kind of like holding that wash and go together, and I'm really hoping that this will help me with my single strand knot issue, and it'll probably make it so that it is so much easier to detangle my hair when it's time to like wash and detangle. Okay guys, so I just really want you to quickly pay attention to how I am twisting my hair. So I am twisting my hair and coiling the hair at the same time, if that makes sense. So I coil each section as I'm twisting it around, and what this does is it kind of helps that twist hold together better because my hair isn't wet. So when you have more coarse or more dense hair, you might need to try to make sure you are coiling each section around one another when you are doing that 2-strand twist as well. It really works in keeping the section together and not making it so that the twist unravels. I really have to pay attention to that, especially in my crown area because my hair is thicker there. I am reminding myself of that Barbie doll that Angelica had on Rugrats. Child, even though I got all my hair on my head, it's just like her hair was like sticking out like this. Alright y'all, so I have my scarf. It took, I don't know why the word was just not coming to me. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and get that set up a little bit. Okay, now before I double tie this, I want to make sure all of my hair is flowing back because I don't want my little curlers to get matted, you feel me? Like, I left these ends out for a reason. And just like that, I'm basically ready for bed. I just throw my bonnet on there. I don't have a clean one right now. It's in the dryer. But I'll be putting my bonnet on over it before I go to bed because what's the point of doing all of this if I'm going to go to sleep, leave my ends out, and it's going to get frizzy, you feel me? Alright, y'all. So I am back. I don't know why I did all that. Okay. So, got my bonnet on. This is actually 2 days later. I didn't sleep with my scarf on last night because I was tired of wearing it. This is a satin bonnet, so not much frizz going on here. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and take my twist down, and then how I separate it is I just kind of like pull it and then like separate it like that. So I'm just kind of like gently pulling to separate. Okay, now what I'm gonna do really, because I don't really like doing all that extra like manipulating, I just want it to be fast, you know? So I'm gonna grab my blow dryer and I'm gonna just like, you're gonna see what I'm gonna do with it. Yeah. So I don't know if you can see what it did there, but it kind of just like made my hair, like it was, how do I explain it? My hair was kind of separated, and blow drying it kind of made it loosen up so that it would all flow together, if that makes sense. Okay. But as you can see, my like ends are still in that curly wash and go state, which is really what most people want. Like, because if your ends are together, then your hair looks good usually. So yeah, I'm not gonna pick it or anything, because yeah, maybe I will. Hold on. Yeah, I'm just gonna pick this side with my Cantu pick. I like this pick because it has it's two-sided when it comes to the prongs. And so yeah, this is it. All right, comment down below and let me know what you guys' favorite hair preservation technique is, and let me know what you think about this new technique. Let me know if you try it out and what your results are, and I will see you later. Thanks for watching.